Hi everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about the best choice children's guitar. This is kind of a beginner's guitar for little kids. This has been so great. We got this for my daughter and she has absolutely loved it. It has been built so well. It's really quality. It is all wood and it is obviously an acoustic guitar. So it is just a standard classic acoustic guitar shrunk down to children's size. So when they grow and they get older, they can move on to a standard size and nothing's changed. It still feels the same. It's just a bigger size. So we have loved this. It's held up so well. It's really pretty, really shiny. It has this really shiny, pretty finish on it. It hasn't gotten damaged and my kids are really rough on things. It's held up really great. It does have nylon strings and the nylon strings help so this bridge here doesn't get damaged as easy, which is super nice. It does have these tuning knobs in the back, which make it super easy to keep it tuned. And then also it does have a bag and a tuner and extra strings that it comes with. So it comes with a lot, easy to travel with. Oh, it has a strap that's easy to attach also. This has just been great for her. She had an interest in trying to learn guitar. This has been fun for her to just kind of experiment on, and then once she wants to get into lessons, I think this would be great. It sounds really nice, it's really good quality, and it is just held up perfectly. So if you have maybe a daughter or a son, it comes in a lot of different colors, not just pink, but if you have someone who's maybe wanting to learn how to play guitar, but they're small, their little arms aren't able to reach a standard size yet, this is just such a perfect option. And it's just super cute also. It looks so cute just sitting in her room in her little corner, and she just sits in her little chair and plays with it. So I think this is perfect if you are interested in something like this. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.